Welcome to our unit class, children. It is nice to see you again. Well, for today, we have one beautiful objective to understand the importance of having in mind two concepts, needs and wants. What happens? Sometimes we don't have a balance between these two concepts because here in our mind we have desires, we have needs, but we also have wishes, we also have preferences, requirements, we also have musts and longings and craves. Let's see. What is the meaning of a want and what is the meaning of a need? Is a want something that is necessary? So let's think about it. Is it important when we are talking about a want? Or is it necessary to have a balance between the things we just desired here in our heart and the things we really need to survive? And what is the meaning of a need? A need is something that we must have to live. As I told you yesterday in our class, a need is something that it is really important and we have to have it in our life. So for example, water, for example, food, clothing, and shelter. But what is the meaning of a want? A want is something that you can have, but you don't need it. Maybe you have a pet at home, but if you don't have pets, you continue living. Maybe you have a car, but if you don't have a car at home, you can continue living because it is not so necessary. You have candies, maybe, or you have bright candies, or toys, but these are wants. These are not really needs. Let's watch a video about wants and needs. Okay, stop here my presentation and continue watching the video. See you later. Okay, kids, now that you have already seen the video or watched the video, let's continue. You are going to have this activity. What do you need for this activity? You need 1/8 of cardboard or your blue notebook. 1/8 de cartulina del color que ustedes prefieran. Orange, yellow, blue, red, green, the color you want. And you need scissors, glue stick, and magazines. Now, what are you going to do? You are going to divide this cardboard into two. Amores, ustedes pueden utilizar una cartulina de 1/8, pero si no tienen una cartulina, no hay problema. Ustedes pueden utilizar su cuaderno azul. Y revistas. Si no tienen revistas, pueden hacerme los dibujos, lindos dibujos como los que siempre me hacen a mí. De esos que a mí me derriten y me desmayan de amor. Okay, so what are you going to do? You are going to cut here in the magazines. You are going to look for cuttings related to needs and wants. Okay? And then you are going to cut 3 of them and paste it in needs part. And you are going to cut 3 ones and paste them in wants. Okay? Yo, por ejemplo, encontré estas imágenes. Un botilito con agua, el sol y de la comida encontré los vegetales. Como estos son los que yo encontré y a mí me gustan, yo los voy a pegar aquí en needs porque los necesito para vivir. Pero hay cosas que no necesito para vivir, pero también me las encontré. Me encontré un dulce, me encontré una cometa y me encontré un cupcake. Candies, kites and cupcakes. Como yo los encontré y a mí me gustan, pero no los son tan necesarios, ¿dónde creen que los voy a pegar? Ok, muy bien. Yo los voy a poner acá en wants porque no los necesito para vivir. Sí los quiero. Claro, me gusta tener una cometa para elevarla, pero si no tengo la cometa, igual puedo seguir respirando, igual puedo seguir viviendo. ¿M? Pero si no tengo el sol, ¡oh! Oh, eso sí que viene siendo grave, gravísimo, mis amores. Y si no tengo agua, ¡ay! Todavía peor. Eso sí que sería terrible que no tuviera agua para tomar. Okay, now that you have already learned and listened to Miss Patty's explanation, you are going to continue with the next activity. Okay, so very good, kids. Thank you very much. And hands on, go and work together. Okay, here you have. Very good.